In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow effect to any selected object in Premiere Pro. First, add your video to the timeline. Next, select the video, click on the Object Matte tool, and choose the element you want to make shine. For this example, I've selected the glasses, and you'll see they are automatically masked with just a single click. Finally, click the Track Forward and Backward button. We'll need to wait a brief moment for the tracking to complete, depending on your system's speed. Once it's done, navigate to the opacity settings to locate your object's mask. You'll see that only the specific element you wanted is selected. Now, duplicate the video layer by holding down Alt and dragging the clip upward. You will now have two video layers. Select the bottom layer and hit Delete to remove the mask from it. Finally, to prepare the effect, right-click the top layer and select Nest. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Glint, and apply it to the top video layer. Now, navigate to the Effect Controls panel, where you can customize the effect to your liking. You can adjust the brightness, coloration, flash scale, angle, and light position. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Thank you for watching.